The Kolkata doctor case refers to an incident in which a doctor was reportedly assaulted in a hospital, leading to widespread protests by the medical community in West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister of West Bengal, faced criticism over her handling of the situation, starting with her response, which many considered unsympathetic toward the doctors. This incident has turned into a standoff between the state government and the medical community, drawing national attention. Now, considering if Mamata Banerjee can survive this situation and whether it marks the end of her domineering run over Bengal politics, the following factors have to be put into the limelight. 1. Political resilience. During the past decade, Mamata Banerjee has been a dominant force in West Bengal politics. Her political acumen and the ability to connect with the masses have helped her to steer out of several controversies in the past. While the doctor case definitely dented her image amongst certain sections, the middle class and professionals, particularly, she still retains an excellent reputation in the rural areas and among her core base. 2. Public perception. The public perception of Mamata Banerjee in handling this situation holds the key to her political future. Provided that the opposition uses this incident at a later stage for galvanizing support against her, the challenge will come. However, Mamata's populist measures and welfare schemes, though somehow questionable, endear her to many voters. 3. Opposition strength. How efficiently this matter will be used against the government by the opposition in general and the BJP in particular will prove to be the real testing ground. Though BJP has been gradually gaining ground in West Bengal, it is yet to replace Mamata Banerjee's TMC decisively. 4. Upcoming elections. Whether this incident is going to mark the end of Mamata Banerjee's domination will be tested by the outcome of the upcoming elections. If she and TMC regain lost ground or manage to hold on, it will prove that despite this controversy, her political grip remains salient. While the Kolkata doctor case might have put Mamata Banerjee undoubtedly under scrutiny and perhaps weaken her position amidst certain demographics, it is pretty early to call it the end of her domination over Bengal politics. Her political survival will depend on how she handles the crisis and the extent to which she can retain her core base, along with the effectiveness of the opposition to challenge her leadership. We want justice.